Om Sri Sai Ram. My most humble pranams at the divine lotus feet of Mother Sai. Myself Sunil Namdev. Today we have to start our computer class. First of all, we have to do 3 Omkars. Sai Ram. Our second chapter is hardware and software. In the previous chapter, we have to learn about how a computer works. Computer कैसे कार्य करता है. Now in this chapter, we have to learn the main two components of the computer, hardware and software. A computer has 4 main parts. These are the keyboard, mouse and CPU and monitor. These 4 parts function together and form a computer system. The parts of a computer system are also called devices. These devices are called hardware. We can touch hardware. The hardware of a computer cannot work on its own. It needs help in the form of instructions. All of you know there are 4 parts of the computer. Main 4 parts: keyboard, monitor, CPU and mouse. These are the 4 main parts of our computer. We can also call the devices. These 4 parts are also called as devices. Computer device. We can touch and see the hardware. All the parts of computer we can touch and see. That's why they are called hardware. If you have only the hardware parts of the computer, it will be not work their own. It needs the help of instructions, commands. In short, they need the software, program to work. Without software, hardware cannot work. And without hardware, software is not possible. The instructions that make the hardware work are called software. We cannot touch software. Hardware and software are the 2 elements of a computer system. What is the work of software? It's give the instructions or commands to the hardware to make a work. We cannot touch the hardware, only we can use it or see it. There are 2 main elements of a computer, hardware and software. कंप्यूटर के 2 मेन पार्ट्स होते हैं, भाग होते हैं, एलिमेंट्स होते हैं. कौन कौन से? हार्डवेयर और सॉफ्टवेयर. सॉफ्टवेयर इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड अ प्रोग्राम. सॉफ्टवेयर को हम क्या कहते हैं? प्रोग्राम भी कहते हैं. अ प्रोग्राम इज रिटन बाय अ प्रोग्रामर. प्रोग्राम कौन बनाता है? प्रोग्रामर. Who knows all the programming language to create a program. Now, the types of hardware based on its function. Hardware is of 3 types: A device used to input data is an input device. A device used to process data is a processing device. A device used to output data is an output device. Based on the function of hardware, we have divided in three parts. First is the input device, second is the processing device, and the last is the output device. These three devices have the different work. First of all, we have to learn about some input devices. Input devices are used to enter data and give instructions to a computer. Some commonly used input devices are keyboard, mouse, microphones, and scanners. What is the use of input devices? Input device is used to enter data and instruction to a computer. Input devices are used to enter data and instruction into computer. Most often we are using the keyboard, mouse, microphone and scanner. All of you use the keyboard. Look at the picture. This is the keyboard. What is this? This is keyboard. A keyboard has the keys on it. We press these keys to input words, numbers and characters. Pressing the keys on a keyboard to write is called typing. Keyboard has so many buttons and that buttons are called keys. We can input words, numbers, characters. You can also write your names. Whatever you want to type, you can use the keyboard. Whenever you pressing the keys to write, that is called a typing. आप लोगों ने सुना होगा ना, क्या कर रहे हो? टाइपिंग कर रहे हैं. Means he is writing on a computer by using a keyboard. Next input device is mouse. This is the mouse. A mouse has two buttons. There is a scroll wheel between the button. We use a mouse to point at, select and move object on the monitor. We also use the mouse to draw and color pictures. A mouse has two buttons. How many buttons? Two buttons. In between of the button, it has the scroll wheel to move up and down. Your document you can move up and down by using this scroll wheel. And we use the mouse to point at, select, move objects on the monitor. माउस का यूज क्या होता है? सिलेक्ट करने के लिए, ऑब्जेक्ट्स को मूव करने के लिए और उसको पॉइंट करने के लिए. We also use the mouse to draw and color pictures. पेंट में ड्राइंग करते हो ना माउस का यूज करके. Yes, we can also use the mouse to draw the picture and color the picture. Next is microphone. This is the microphone. We use a microphone to record sounds. We can record and store music or our voice in a computer. I am also using the microphone to record my voice. To make this video, I am also using the microphone to record my voice. Same thing, you can also record your voice by using this microphone. You can also record the music, your song, anything you want to record in the computer, you have to use the microphone. Next is the scanner. This is the scanner. We use a scanner to input a page from a book. The page then appears on the monitor. Suppose you have any picture or document or your book page you want to insert in your computer in a digital format, image format. You can use the scanner to scan that document, picture, whatever it is. After the scanning, that document or picture will becomes on your monitor in a digital format. Then after you can edit it or print it. These four are input devices. Commonly used input devices: keyboard, mouse, microphone or scanner. Now the next is processing device. What is this? All of you know? Yes, CPU, Central Processing Unit. This is the CPU. CPU is a processing device in a computer. It is inside a box called the CPU box. The CPU is also called the brain of a computer. It is because the CPU works like our brain. It processes the data we feed into the computer and gives the output as information. In the computer system, CPU is the brain of the computer. All of you have the brain? Yes. Same thing, computer also have the brain, that's called as a CPU. Because all the works, processing works, whatever instruction, inputs you give to the computer, all that processing works done by the CPU. That's why it's called the brain of the computer. And after the processing, it's give to you output, result or information on your monitor or output device.